Good afternoon, everybody. Today we're going to be looking at this 2020 Mercedes key. Now this came off an A220, but most of these recent keys look just like this. So if your key looks like this, chances are your battery is going to change exactly the same way. So you can press here and pull this back, but it's actually a little difficult to do that. So what I like to do is I like to pull the valet key out by pressing that button and just pulling on this. And then I like to actually use the tip of the valet key to press down here a little harder, which makes it easier to open that. Once you open that, you set it aside. You'll notice a little tab here, right there. You can put your fingernail or a kind of a sharp tool, maybe a butter knife or a coin, and you can pull that out. Once you pull it out, you'll notice the battery is right there. And the battery is actually set like that. So you can't see the writing on the battery when you're looking at it. So let's take a look at the battery. We turn it around. We'll notice that it's a CR2032. I'll put a link to this battery in the description. CR2032. That's a 3-volt battery. So you can just replace that, put it back in, and remember, it goes in upside down. So press that in, put your cover back on, nice and gentle, no big force necessary in this battery, unlike some of the other ones. Goes right in, and then you put your valet key back in, and you're ready to go. So this came off a 2020 A220, which I may do a quick review on later on. If time allows. This was a loaner car from the dealership, so I decided to show you how to change the battery. Hopefully you enjoyed this and hopefully helped you out, save some money. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comments below. And as always, click like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thank you.